Today I show you a new product from IKEA, and this is a laptop stand, but this could be used as a tablet stand also. If you have a large tablet, you might use this as a stand for a tablet. And this is very basic. It's simply a piece of metal with some kind of plastic corners there, and those don't really look very stable, so that thing might make the laptop fall. But yeah, that's how it is. It's also very cheap, less than €5, and the dimensions of it's a new product, so that's interesting. I like that it has those little rubber feet on the bottom of this stand, so it's going to secure the laptop. It's going to have a bit of grip on the laptop and or the tablet, whatever device you might use this on. This could be used for many things. But yeah, so far I don't think I would get this for anything. I don't really need it, but I have it in mind in case if I need to put the tablet on some kind of a stand. That's an option, but there are better options than that. I hope this helps you get an idea of this thing. Thanks for watching.